Good morning students. Today I am going to explain the first chapter, that is integers. What are integers? Integers are the combination of positive and negative numbers both including 0. That means what? We can't consider that fractions and decimals are as integers. For suppose I am going to explain about that examples. -5 we are taking. -5 is an integer, that is negative integer we can consider, and 6 is a positive integer, and so on. We can consider some numbers also. Here I am giving that -6.3. 6.3 means the decimal expansion is we can't consider as an integer. In the same way we can consider some more examples also. Now I am going to explain about that number line of the integers. Right side of the 0 all are positive integers we will get, and left side of the 0 we will get the negative integers. We will consider two numbers on the positive side. I am comparing that 1 and 2. 2 is greater than 1, and when we will consider that 2 and 3. 3 is greater than 2. Means what? Right side of the numbers are greater than the left side of the numbers. That is also given in the note. Now I am going to explain about the properties of the integers. Under addition and subtraction I have given the notes, but here I will explain about the multiplication and division also. First property is closure property given. What is closure property? When we will consider two integers, their under addition we are considering, their sum is also an integer. For an example, -2 is an integer and +3 is also an integer. When we are adding the two numbers, we will get 1. 1 is again an integer. And for that subtraction, the closure property, when we are considering two integers, -2 and minus of +3 we are considering, means plus of minus, here we will get -2 -3, that is -5. -5 is also an integer. Means what? Closure property under addition and subtraction will satisfied. In the same way multiplication also will satisfied, but division of the integer will not satisfied. And second property of the integers are commutative property. What is commutative property? For any two integers a and b we are considering, when we are adding that a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. For an example, we are taking -15 is an integer. We are adding that -15 to +5, we are getting -10. When we are going to change the order, 5 plus 5 minus 15, that one also we are getting -10. Means what? A plus b equal to b plus a. Commutative property under addition will satisfy. For that multiplication also will satisfy the commutative property, but minus and division will not satisfy the commutative property. You can try by taking some examples. And next property is given, associative property. What is associative property? For any three integers a, b and c, a plus b plus e, c equal to a plus b plus c. Here also again, whenever we are going to change the order of the integers, then also we will get the same answer. Here we are considering some examples. 2 plus 5 plus 3 equal to, when first we will add that 3 to 5, we are getting 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. Now we are going to change the order. Means first we are going to add the 2 and 5. These two are addition of 2 and 5, we are getting 7. 7 plus 3 also we are getting 10. Means associative property under addition will satisfy. In the same way multiplication also will satisfy, but subtraction and division of the associative property will not satisfy. By taking some examples you can try.